What's up guys, welcome back to our video. In this video, I will show you how to remove facial verification on Binance app. So if you're looking for a way to remove facial verification here on the Binance app, well, this one is very simple. First things first, you want to open up the Binance app here and log in into your account. Now at the top left of your screen, you should see 3-bar icon. Go ahead and just press on it. Now from here, you want to press on your user ID or your profile. Let's see at the very top here. Let's go ahead and click on it. Now from here, you want to go to security. Now under security, you should see two-factor authentication or 2FA. Now in here, you should see authenticator app, email, password, as well as passkeys biometrics. Now you want to open up passkeys biometrics. Now you want to look at the biometric option or the facial verification that you have or added in your account. So what you need to do is you just need to click on the trash can icon next to it and click on continue, and that should delete that option or that security option here on your account. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.